And I think some of the valuable things that happen here are some of the bit-by-bit conversations we have outside of some of the lessons as well. Thank you for talking to us. Thank you for sharing with us your experiences. And like Tim at home, unquestionably I'll take some stuff. I have some good grammar tips too, by the way. But I think that the thing I'm going to go home with most is how some of you that I met the first day were kind of quiet, maybe resistant, and all of a sudden by day 4 you're proactive and you're leading the show and you're getting more involved. And I think that was great to see. It was wonderful. And again, I hope that there's something that's helpful. Know this, you've helped us, for sure, so thank you.
And just adding to that, yeah, we learned a lot from you too, that's for sure. I'm not going to tell you the specific, but one particular thing that I need to do better next year was illuminated in this workshop. Thank you so much. It was an honor to work with you and to meet you as human beings. You're priceless, you're open, you're positive. And just in this last sequence, we saw a lot of talent. So even though you have many obstacles, many things blocking your way, keep at it because you got it. Congratulations.
Hi. We have an expression in America that it's a small world, and you have made us feel like this is a very small world. You welcome us into your home, into your country. I never dreamed in a million years I would be in Africa, in Egypt. And here I am, and every day you shook my hand and our hands, you welcomed us, and you made us feel like we're all one big world, and made it a little bit closer. It was a great honor meeting you. I had one student tell me that she would miss me. You have no idea how much we'll miss you. You were great to know, and I'm proud to call you my friends. So thanks for having me.
I think one of the things I found here that I knew and that this really brought home is that we're teachers because we care, because we're passionate about our students. I know at times I've heard frustration here. We get frustrated too in our classes. It's not that that's the opposite of caring or loving our students. It's at the core of it. If we don't get frustrated by their failings and take them personally, then we're not caring. If we show no expression at all, that's the opposite. Let your passion shape your teaching. Your passion has given me so much a realization of how much joy I get out of working in my own classroom. Just seeing you in a difficult situation, have that passion, have that joy for being in the classroom, for working with your students, gives me so much hope.
All right, just to add, it's not important to us that you know the difference between kinesthetic methods and Socratic method. If you learned what we learned this week, it's that you all are extraordinary, that you're talented, that there's lots of experience right here in this room, and you have to figure out how to share it, all right? So what I need you to do, I know this is kind of hokey, but I need you to turn to the person next to you and promise them that you will support them, and promise them that you will be there if they have a question about a lesson, about a student, about anything that's learned. Turn to someone on your right or your left and promise them that you will support them. All right. Pingry teachers, come in line on up. When you hear your name, please come up and receive your diploma. And we welcome you colleagues. Alexander Oring Obaloka. Gideon Thomas Comey. Kalu Ahmed Bismarck. Henry Roberts. Christopher Amita. Mau Serge. Alphonsus Ndulu. Aladdin Ali Mohammed. Joseph Logan. Samuel Fianyeku. Joseph Muwanika. Kizito Greenwald. Isaac Abdallah. Abu Victor Chinrique. Peter James Chandu. Joel Benjamin. Abdel Mohamed Ahmed. Amira Mustafa. Abdel Ryan Ali Yagu. Mohammed Clover Nolly. Clover? Clover? El-Hadi Isa. Abdallah Idris. Isa and Mohammed Idris Kendra. Amani Ali. Fad Salih. Wasni